Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how to make gym on Notion. So let's get started. It's quick, minimal, and perfect for tracking your daily fitness routine. Start by typing or table to create a new database. Once it appears, switch the layout to calendar view. This will act as your main workout tracker. For a cleaner look, turn off the database title so the calendar fills the page nicely. Next, let's make adding workouts even easier by creating templates. For example, create a template called Ab Workout. Add a tag like abs, then insert a to-do list with exercises such as crunches, sit-ups, or leg raises. Whenever you create a new workout entry in your calendar and apply this template, all the exercises will automatically appear, saving you time every day. To track how often you work out, simply duplicate the calendar and switch the new copy to table view. This gives you a simple frequency log where you can scroll through dates and see how consistent you've been. And that's it, a lightweight, powerful workout tracker in just a few minutes. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.